If you want to change the outlook of your document, then you can simply go to page setup. And to do that, you simply go to file right here and then go to page setup. So once you do that, here you can see that you can apply it to a particular section or the whole document. So I'm just going to apply it to the whole document in my case. So you can change out the orientation right here. So just like this, you can go over here, change it out just like that, press OK. And the whole document is now landscape, as you can see. If I were to go to page setup right here, you can also work around with the margin. So there's 1 inch of margin on each side. So if I want to change it out into 2 inches, and then on the left and right hand side, I'm going to do 0.5, press OK. The margin will be set. So there's 1 inch of margin on top and bottom and 0.5 on the left and right, as you can see right here. And then I'm going to go around right here onto file, and then I'm going to go around into page setup again. And then I'm going to go around right here. I can also change out the page color. So I'm just going to go for a whole document. And then over here, I can change the paper size as well. I can select something like A4, and then I can go over here, change it to portrait. And then I can choose the page color to something like yellow and press OK. And you can see that the page color and everything else has been changed just like this. So you can see that a lot of things can be changed out, such as page margins, orientation, color, by using the page setup option in Google Docs document. So that's how you work with your pages. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.